Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm doing a quick little packing video for y'all on this MZ WALLACE small Crosby Sling. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a week or two, I think, since I've uploaded a long form video here on YouTube. We did a little bit of traveling in the first part of fall break for my kids, and I since then have been completely under the weather. So I am hoping that I can get through this video without having to stop a lot and cough and drink water and all of the things. But I wanted to do a packing video on this MZ WALLACE small Crosby Sling because they just started their 12 days of Christmas. Those of you that might not be familiar with that, MZ WALLACE typically every year does like a 12 days of Christmas where every single day for the first 12 days of December, they'll release a new like limited edition type item. And today's item is this small Crosby Sling in their leather material. Now I am obsessed with MZ WALLACE's leather. I really like it. I have it in a small Metro Tote Deluxe that is just so good, and I'm really excited to see what else they release. But I realized that I didn't do an actual packing video of this one. I featured it in a couple of different videos. I'll try to put like an on the body shot of me wearing it here if I can kind of insert it, since I'm just doing kind of like a packing video today. But I wanted to compare how this one packs to the regular Crosby Sling. And I also grabbed out the Crosby belt bag because I realized I've never shared this one, and it's a good one. And I think capacity wise, it actually kind of compares to this one. So anyways, I'm gonna take the same amount of items that I have packed up in this one and pack it in these two other ones, just to give you guys an idea of what this one holds, because it seems to be a pretty popular question today. And if you have any additional questions that I don't cover in today's video on this bag or any of the other MZ WALLACE sling bags or whatnot, feel free to shoot me a message over on Instagram or leave a comment down below. I'm always happy to help. I will also have my affiliate link with MZ WALLACE pinned in the comments as well as down in the description box. I so appreciate it anytime you guys think of me and click through that link whenever you're purchasing MZ WALLACE or any of the other brands that I share. It really helps support my channel. All right, so let's get into it. This here is the MZ WALLACE small Crosby Sling. It comes with 3 different straps. I like to carry it with this chain strap here. It fits me comfortably crossbody. It is a little bit snug, but the other 2 straps that come with this bag, you can easily adjust them. One is a seatbelt type strap, and the other one is a clasp that you can actually wear this as more of a traditional fanny. Both of those come with the bag as well. I think I've gone into more detail on those on like my unboxing of this one that I did. I'll try to link it up here in the cards for you to see, but I want to jump right in to show you like what fits inside of this one. So right now, as far as material wise, they have this beautiful kind of tweed type material bag that I absolutely love. I love the pattern of it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. It has like really pretty like bright colors kind of mixed throughout. And then of course they have the brand new leather one that they just launched today. Not sure how long that one's gonna last. Those kind of limited edition ones tend to sell out pretty quickly. But on the back of this style bag, you don't have any zippers or anything like that. It's just flat here on the back. And then on the front, you have the main opening, and then you have this little pocket here in the front. So this little pocket here, I just have a few small items. I have a chapstick. I'm gonna kind of strategically place these since I'm gonna be putting them in another bag. I have my keys. I don't have them with any type of a key ring or anything. Since I was putting it in a sling bag, I wanted it to be really minimalistic and make sure everything like fit comfortably. So I have my keys there. I also have another chapstick that I actually have been loving, and I have a hair tie. All the lip products, I swear. I have them all the time. Pen down in there, and I think that's all I have in this front pocket. I could honestly probably fit 1 or 2 more things down in there. Moving on to the main compartment here of the bag, you do have a double zipper pull, which is awesome because no matter what direction you're kind of wearing the bag across your body, you could easily unzip it to just kind of get out what you need and not have to open the whole thing. So I love that about these zippers. They're nice and smooth. The lining on this one is just my favorite. Right here on top, I have my eyeglasses just kind of sitting comfortably there. I don't always carry these, to be honest. It's just kind of like sometimes I really only need them. Well, I should be wearing them a lot more probably than I am, but I have them there mainly for like reading and whatnot. And then everything else just fits really comfortably kind of inside here. I have a small package of tissues, my Touchland hand sanitizer. I also have my hand cream that I've been loving for a good minute. It is a really nice kind of fresh, clean scent. I also have a scrunchie kind of down in there. And then do we have any other little things in there? No. So I have 2 more items in the main bulk. I have my Mina Bay wallet. This is the smaller of the 2 wallet options that they have. I love this size for a sling bag or a small crossbody. Even the bigger one, I should have grabbed it to show you in comparison, is nice too because it's just a little bit like wider and longer, but as far as like the profile of it, it's still nice and slim just like this one. So they're great options for smaller bags. You have a couple of card slots here, more card slot here, more here, enough room for receipts, which I have here, and then of course in this little zipper pocket you could keep change, coins, cash, whatever you have. So this is a great little on-the-go wallet. So I have that in there. Then I also actually have another Mina Bay product, and this is kind of funny how I have it packed up, but this is, I don't remember the exact name of this. It's under the accessories on the Mina Bay website. I want to say it's called like a small clip pouch or something of that nature. It has obviously a little clip back here in the back and a nice nylon material. I'm gonna zoom in and show you what I have inside. All right, you guys are gonna laugh at me, or maybe not, because I think everybody's in the same boat right now, but this is my little mini on-the-go med kit. Yeah, you heard that right. I put everything in here, and it's actually kind of a brilliant use for this little pouch. I didn't want all of this stuff just like loosely mixed in with other things because I have been eating them like a lot the past week or 2. I just have some Band-Aids kind of tucked down in there. I also have 2 packages of Dayquil down in there. I have 2 of these travel Advil containers. One actually has Advil and Tylenol in it, and the other one has Excedrin inside. And then I have a bunch of cough drops just kind of tucked down in here. I also have a small little travel eye drops down in there. So all of that just fits really nicely in here, and I can grab it if I need it when I'm out and about, and that has been a lot lately. The only other thing that I have packed inside this small Crosby Sling is a few things in the back zipper pocket. I have 2 Kind bars, a regular one, and then this mini cranberry one. That's my favorite, so I have those down in there. And then I have a lipstick and a lip liner. These are made by Tarte, so these are like the color. I wear these, but not that often, but it's kind of what I like to wear when I'm not wearing one of those other chapsticks. So I have those kind of tucked down in that little area there as well. This bag does have 2 pockets on the inside zipper pocket, just like all of the MZ Wallace bags. And then you have a small little, like if you can see it in the light, a small little pouch there too. So that is everything that I had packed up inside the small Crosby. I'm gonna go ahead and put the same amount of items into the other 2 bags and then just briefly kind of show you how they fit so that you can see capacity wise how much more or less would fit in the other styles. All right, just as I expected, capacity wise, this Crosby belt bag is pretty close to the same size as that small Crosby Sling. Everything fits really well inside this one. I would almost venture to say that this one might hold just a smidge more, and you'll see when I open it up, but the small Crosby Sling is a little bit like wider this way, whereas this one is longer. So it's just a little bit different style of a fit, if you will. But as you can see, I have the same amount of items in this front pocket here as I did in that other one, but this one opens up just a little bit wider, and I feel like I could put more in there. I did stick my keys in here. I think the other way I had it packed, I had my keys down in here. But as you can see, there's like tons more room in here. And what I actually like about this belt bag is the interior of this one has 2 pockets right here, for those of you that maybe aren't familiar with this style. And I was able to fit that Mina Bay pouch, my little med kit, inside here, which I think is awesome. So those of you that have a bunch of MZ Wallace bags, you might want to look into this little pouch because it fits really good inside these traditional like MZ Wallace pockets. And then over here, I just had my hand cream and hand sanitizer, and everything else fit really well down in there. I had my wallet, the keys, my scrunchie, same granola bars, lip products. So it packs up really similar. Now, if I were to go put my eyeglasses kind of right here on top, it's a little bit, I mean, they fit, definitely. I can still zip it and everything. So it fits, but it just kind of bulks up the bag, if that makes sense. But as far as like what will fit in here, it's pretty similar. And last but not least, my all-time favorite sling, forever and ever, amen, that I will recommend till the day I die. If I had to pick one of like any sling, even the ones I'm sharing today, this one is the winner. It is the Crosby crossbody sling. So it's obviously the biggest of all of them, but it is so comfortable to wear, and I have worn it and taken it so much. I've had this black one now for years, 2, 3, I'm not sure how long. But I of course have other colors in this one, which you guys have seen. But obviously everything packs great in here with tons of other room. This front zipper pocket, you have so much more room than the couple of small little things I put in there. And then over here, you have obviously, again, so much room. Like, I mean, I had no problem fitting everything inside here. Like, you have room for tons more. My phone, my external charger, a book, like it fits a lot. And then this back zipper pocket is also really gracious inside. There's just a ton of room in this one, but I wanted to put the same things in here so that you can really see kind of how they compare to one another. This one is a little bit larger on the body. You can look back at some of my older videos and kind of see this one on my body in comparison to the other one, but I still recommend it, like, for sure. But if you're looking for like a smaller option, or if you're a fan of this sling like I am and want it in every size and color that it comes in, this video would hopefully be helpful comparing this one to the other ones. So if you guys have any questions, comments, any other things I can help with as far as any of these slings in comparison, please let me know. I really hope that this review is helpful for those of you that are deciding on this smaller Crosby style. Until next time, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll talk to you soon.